Hello guys, welcome to Ticotech channel. Today we are going to talk about how to buy a free domain. Let's go into that. This is my first video, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And I also give your feedback in the comment section. Let's move on to the video. Go to the Google Chrome and press on Freenom. You will find a website like freenom.com. Click on the website. You will find a search bar like find a new free domain. Click on the search bar and type a name that you want to buy a domain. So I gonna to type Ticotech and press check availability. After you check on availability, you will find domains like this. These 5 domains are free. You can buy any one from this. Now I gonna to buy .cf domain, so get it now. And press on checkout. After you press on checkout, you will find a table like this. In this table you will find a column like period. In that column it default is 3 month. You have to change it to 12 month at free and press continue. After you press continue, you will find a page like this. In this page you have to enter your email address and press on verify. After press on verify, go to your email address and check out the email from Freenom and press the link that is provided by the Freenom. I got a message from a Freenom with the link. I gonna to press that link. After pressing that link, I will get a page like this. In this page you have to fill your basic details like first name, last name, company name, address, and so on. After filling your details, you have to check on complete order. Oops, I have to check the box. You have to check the box that I have read and agree in the terms and condition, and then press complete order. Now you successfully buy the domain. So go to the click here client area and scroll down the page. You will find a my domain. Press that and you will find ticotech.cf domain that is active. So we successfully buy a domain. Click on manage domain. In the manage domain you have to provide your host IP address and so on. I will provide you the complete detail of how to buy a free host and how to pass the domain and how to get your domain at high ranked in Google in the upcoming video. So please support our channel, subscribe the channel and leave the feedback in the comment section. That's all guys. Here you see in this area we have to fill the IP address of your host.